Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This lovely 6 bedroom, 6 bathroom house has a ideal location. 7 minutes away from the Sangster International Airport, a minute or two away from the police station, malls, banks, supermarkets, etc., and 10 minutes away from the Montego Bay Town Centre. This property is already separated in a 5 bedroom, 4.5 bathroom house and a 1 bedroom flat. This dream home has all the necessary security features in place: remote gate, security system installed, fully walled, fenced, and grilled. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 590,000 or Jamaican $90.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.